time, baby. What do we got today? We got some M&ms. Oh, yeah. Alright, M&ms have come out with some new flavors that you're supposed to try and then go vote on which one to keep. There's actually 3 flavors out there. This right here is one of them. This is the new crunchy mint M&M. Alright. There's the old M&M guy. Crunchy mint. I couldn't find these at Walmart or Target. I actually found this at a CVS. Let's just open this bad boy up and go right to it. Alright, well, it looks like that there's only 3 different colors of these type of M&Ms in there. They're the traditional brown. They got this little kind of a dark green, Kelly green looking. And then this mint. Now this mint kind of looks lumpy. Look at that. Let's do this crunchy mint M&M. Alright, well, that is really good. It tastes like the crunch is more of like a cookie crunch. And the mint, I mean, I've said, every time I try something that's chocolate and mint together, I always go back to the little Andes candy. So yeah, basically it tastes like the Andes mint candy, that chocolate mint with a cookie crunch. It has a pretty strong mint flavor. I mean, it's enough where I just ate a small handful and I'm breathing out mint through my nostrils. So wow, that's a good strong mint flavor. Crunch, chocolate, hell yeah, M&Ms, that's a good one. That's a really good one. So the other 2 better bring it if they're gonna beat that one. Anyway, that's it for today. Remember, whatever